ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಲೀಜರ್ ಪೊಯಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಂಕಲ್ ಪಾಡ್ಜರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್. ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೂ 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸು ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರೆಡಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, Uncle Podger hangs a picture. You never saw such a commotion up and down a house in all your life as when my Uncle Podger undertook to do a job. A picture would have come home from the frame makers and be standing in the dining room waiting to be put up, and Aunt Podger would ask what was to be done with it. And Uncle Podger would say, "Oh, you leave that to me. Don't you any of you worry yourself about that. I will do all that." And then he would take off his coat and begin. He would send the girl out for 6 pence worth of nails, and then one of the boys after her to tell her what size to get. And from that he would gradually work down and start the whole house. "Now you go and get me my hammer, Will," he would shout, "and you bring me the rule, Tom, and I shall want the step ladder, and I had better have a kitchen chair too. And Jim, you run round to Mr. Goggles and tell him, Pa's kind regards and hopes his legs better, and will he lend him his spirit level? And don't you go, Maria, because I shall want somebody to hold me the light. And when the girl comes back, she must go out again for a bit of picture cord. And Tom, where's Tom? Tom, you come here. I shall want you to hand me up the picture." And then he would lift up the picture and drop it, and it would come out of the frame, and he would try to save the glass and cut himself, and then he would spring round the room looking for his handkerchief. He could not find his handkerchief because it was in the pocket of the coat he had taken off, and he did not know where he had put the coat, and all the house had to leave off looking for his tools and start looking for his coat, while he would dance round and hinder them. "Does not anybody in the whole house know where my coat is? I never came across such a set in all my life, upon my word. I did not 6 of you. And you cannot find a coat that I put down not 5 minutes ago." Then he had get up and find that he had been sitting on it, and would call out, "Oh, you can give it up. I have found it myself now. Might just as well as the cat to find anything as expect you people to find it." And when half an hour had been spent in tying up his finger, and a new glass had been got, and the tools and the ladder and the chair and the candle had been brought, he would have another go, the whole family, including the girl and the carwoman. He would have another go, the whole family, including the girl and the carwoman, standing round in a semicircle, ready to help. 2 people would have to hold the chair, and a third would help him up on it and hold him there, and a fourth would hand him a nail, and a fifth would pass him up the hammer, and he would take hold of the nail and drop it. "There," he would say in an injured tone, "now the nail's gone." and we would all have to go down on our knees and grovel for it, while he would stand on the chair and grunt and want to know if he was to be kept there all the evening. ಓಕೆ, ಇಷ್ಟಿರಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ನಾನು ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ರೆಡಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.